Twain to a conclusion. Mr. H draws his meeting with Mark Twain to a conclusion by saying that his time is valuable. This implies that he feels as though Twain has been wasting his time. Mark Twain describes people who write letters requiring help and those who do not, which characteristics distinguish one type from the other. Mark Twain describes people who write letters requiring help as incapable and helpable. He describes those who do not require help as independent and eager to reach their goal alone. The next is who says these words to and to whom? The woman in her letter to Twain who got hurt. The woman's husband got hurt. What is a claim? A claim is a piece of land staked out by a miner. What happened as a result of him not climbing out quick enough? He was thrown by the blast. He flew through the air and landed on the trail and hit onto a Native Americans. What question is asked about this incident by Mr. H later on in the story? He asked whether the almost fatal consequences to the woman's husband or to the Native American. What goes and how does it go? The letter seeking help of influence. What pattern does it always follow? It always follow a pattern. The pattern being that the pattern writer of the letter is not directly known to the influential person, but there is always a connection between the influential person and a relative of the letter writer. From what type of person would it not be sent? The people of influence. The letter usually always comes from not a very talented person who tries to push himself forward by attempting to gain familiarity with a person of influence. Who is speaking and to whom? Mark Twain is speaking to Mr. H. What is not all what has been the topic of discussion. The connection is not so simple. There are more links between the women and the speaker. The speaker and the Mr. H have been discussing why Twain would want to recommend the women's book. The last question is which further ties does the speaker go on to the address. He says he knows the cabin her uncle lived in, his partners, and the abandoned mine shaft. He also says he came near to knowing her husband. So, dear students, that's all about my today's working. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.